Our concept was to set up a camera system on a signature par 3 hole that would allow the player to receive a DVD of their play on that hole that day at the end of their round.
Well, the way a golf course is laid out is a specific hole will cover quite a bit of area, and you have to have different angles and different views to capture the entire experience. This particular hole was built on a lake, and we actually had to place cameras on all 4 sides of the lake to capture the actual play on the hole. And on the far side of the course, they did not have electric or any other access. We actually erected a 65-foot pole with a solar panel on top that powered a wireless access point and a HD digital camera.
Michael at Reality Cramp called us with this very unusual project. They had figured out the approximate hardware configuration for this golf course video system, but the software end was completely undefined at that point. The first factor was that this particular installation had 5 high-definition cameras transmitting essentially all day, every day. And just capturing that video was over 50 to 60 megabits per second. So we installed a small array of servers with the same software running on each one just to capture the raw video for the project.
In the initial design, they were actually planning on a SportsCapture employee being present at every course. When we looked at that from a financial and technical standpoint, we realized that wasn't terribly practical. And so one of the things we approached, and one of the things Kyle got involved with extensively, was complete automation of the system.
It was very important that the system be hands-off and self-healing. For example, if one of the cameras stops sending, the software will automatically initiate a restart without any user intervention at all.
Mike reached out to Oasis Digital, and Kyle and his team were able to tackle that obstacle. They designed a software package that was very simple to use. It was on the screen all the time, and they just simply had to enter in the golfer's name, their cart number, and the system did the rest.
As a result, this system generates very close to 0 trouble calls of any kind. It simply works.
From tee to green, from their tee shot to the end of the play, and it's not about helping them to improve their game of golf. Rather, it's a way to surprise and delight them at the end of their round, to provide them a gift of their play that day on film.
One of the most satisfying things for us is to actually help somebody achieve something that they've only dreamed about and they've not been able to achieve on their own, or they don't know how to do it. And it's very rewarding to take the technology and help them to achieve those dreams.